we're diving into how to enable and use the flexible AF mode on your Canon EOS R8. This mode lets you swiftly and easily change the focus point or area within your frame, giving you precise control over what part of your photo is sharply in focus. Power on your camera by switching the power dial to on. Set your camera to either manual M, aperture priority, AV, or shutter priority, TV mode. Press the AF point selection button. This button is typically located near the shutter button or on the back of the camera, often marked with an AF point icon or similar symbol. Access the AF menu on the LCD screen. Once the AF point selection screen is active, you might see various AF mode options depending on how your camera is set up or the lens attached. Select the flexible AF mode, Flexi Zone, AF. Move the AF point. With flexible AF mode selected, use the directional buttons or touch and drag on the LCD screen to move the AF point to your desired focus area on the scene. Adjust the size of the AF point if necessary. Depending on your model and firmware, you may be able to adjust the size of the AF point for more precise focusing. This is usually done by turning a dial or through additional options on the screen. Half-press the shutter button to focus. With the AF point positioned where you want it, half-press the shutter button to autofocus on the subject located at the selected point. And that's how you enable and utilize the flexible AF mode on the Canon EOS R8.